Let's open the main image. Go to Select Subject. It will select the subject in the image. If your subject is a little bit complicated, you can do it using Quick Selection tool for more accuracy. Remove the lock. Select Mask. Now place the picture that you want to add here. Adjust its position. Select your mask and put it on the landscape layer. Remove the link. Press Ctrl-T on your keyboard and adjust the landscape. Duplicate this layer by pressing Alt and dragging it on the top. Change from normal to lighten. Take the eraser tool. Lower the opacity. And erase the area, to make it a little bit more lighter. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.